Hi, welcome to TunesKit. While using your iPhone, you might suddenly see a message like, your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes, or this Apple account has been disabled for security reasons, or you can't sign in because your account was disabled for security reasons. This means your Apple account has been automatically locked to protect your security, often due to multiple incorrect password attempts. So how can you fix this? First method. Reset your Apple ID password, go to Settings, and tap on your profile at the top. Then choose Sign In and Security, where you'll find the option to change your Apple ID password. Simply reset your password there. Second method. Request access to your account. Visit the Apple Support Center and select the Account Recovery option. After entering your email address and phone number, verify your identity to regain access to your account. Third method. Reactivate your account in the Support Center. You can also find an option to enable your account. Log in using the Apple ID that's been disabled and follow the prompts to provide additional information to Apple to regain access. If none of these methods work, there's a better solution. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. It can directly remove the original Apple ID without needing any password. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Connect iPhone to the computer. Choose the Unlock Apple ID and click Start. It will detect your device model. Step 2. Make sure the screen lock is set and turn on iPhone two-factor authentication. Step 3. Check your device information, click Download after confirming it is correct, and then the firmware package will start to download. After the download is completed, the system will automatically parse the firmware package. Step 4. Start to unlock your iPhone. Please note that after starting to unlock, all your original data will be erased, so it is best to have a backup. After a few minutes, the Apple ID on your iPhone will be removed. Then you can log in with your new Apple ID. If the above methods are helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe.